Hi class, I am sorry. I realize today's not Monday, it's Tuesday. My week has gotten off to a different start. Life happens to faculty as well as to students. I spent a good part of yesterday at an emergency vet service with my 10-year-old dog who decided it was a good idea to eat rocks. So he's doing better today. But I got your discussion activities graded from last week and some other behind-the-scenes things done in the class, and realize here we are at the end of Tuesday, and I haven't sort of queued you up for week 10. It's week 10. That's great news. The discussion board activity this week, there's no responses to peers required. It's really an opportunity for you to give feedback about how well you think this course did in meeting the program learning outcomes and the course learning outcomes, and ideas you have about where it could be improved in order to do a better job of that for future groups of students. Come Wednesday, you will also begin to have access to the end of course evaluation. That is where you have an opportunity to evaluate me as your instructor and how effectively I was able to facilitate the course for you this quarter. Those are anonymous responses, and I don't see even the aggregate of those responses until like December 26th or so. Grades are due by December 19th, so all of your grades will be posted, so don't let that keep you from, and any concern about that keep you from posting your responses on the end of course evaluation. The other thing I will mention is apparently if you complete that using your phone, the order of the ratings is reversed. So if 1 is sort of does not meet expectations and 5 exceeds expectations, apparently it's easy to get those turned around so that when you might want to give a positive score, you accidentally give a negative score. So that's what I've been told. I haven't seen it myself. So anyway, just pay attention and make sure that you're selecting the level of evaluation that you actually intend to select. Any comments that you have on future improvements are always welcome. Now, your final project is due, and this is an opportunity, kind of a summative synthesis opportunity for you to wrangle with 2 of the learning theories that you're interested in. Now, they can be very similar theories. I think sometimes it's more interesting if you wrangle with 2 very different kinds of theories, so that there's some comparing and contrasting that you get to do in the paper. And then you can talk about how the theories you've selected do or do not align with your philosophy of teaching. It's okay to select theories, as I say, that you're not a particular fan of, but then to have reasons why you think that those won't meet your needs as you move into your work with adult learners. You also get a chance to apply all of the research skills that you've been building this quarter, and continue to think about ways that you can synthesize what it is that you're reading and putting into practice this week. Specific examples of, sorry, I'm just taking a look at the assignment one more time. Yeah, it always helps to have concrete examples of the theoretical implications, just to get you grounded back again in actual practice. It's easy to express very lofty ideas about always doing and with every student and in every context and setting you will X, Y, or Z. And the truth of the matter is teaching adults, working with adults, being with adults in the world comes with a lot of different personalities, different challenges, different approaches to learning, and it can be a very complex and very rewarding activity to engage with groups of adult learners in a specific context and help bring them forward with their own achievement of their own learning goals. So think less about what I want per se and more about how can you use this assignment to wrap up what we've been focusing on in class this week and move forward into applying it into your own practice. I'm always available for questions. I will be primarily on email Thursday. Got my husband's having surgery, so I will be on call with him on Thursday. But I'm going to have my laptop and my phone with me, so if you have any questions anytime during this week as you approach your final project, just let me know. I'd be happy to help. It's been a really, really great quarter. I've super enjoyed getting to know you all through the work in this class and just seeing how you have been supportive of one another in this learning community and help foster some real transformations amongst each other. It's fantastic. So, thank you so much.